Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope so you all are doing good. So today's story is The Blue Sky. So let's start. I left everything and moved forward. But as people say, time passes, older things fade, but the footprint is left behind. I'm alive today, but the each and every breath of mine is someone else. From the day I was small, I used to get frustrated at small things because I always thought that I'm the unluckiest person in the world. Every time I thought of doing some good things, everything got messed up. Even people started calling me as a lucky person. It feels really very bad when you want to make friends, talk to people, share your feelings with them, but on the other side, no one is ready to be with you. Even after all this, I made myself understand that no matter how big the problems are, they get solved as the time passes. I changed many schools, I got shifted to many places. I was having nothing with me. I was alone. Even my parents, they left me as I was not normal like other children. The day I was born, doctor said my parents that I am suffering from the disease which will make me weak physically. As the year passed, and soon I may die. As soon as my parents heard this, they left me alone. When I was 5 years old, this all things happened. I was not able to understand anything, but I understood one thing, that I don't have anyone in this world to call as mine. My parents went very far from me. You know what they said? They said me that they don't want to see me anymore. And that day was the last day when I saw my parents. From that day, I was always scared to talk to people. I used to earn my bread by myself. I never had a shoulder to lean on. Everyone made fun of me. They made fun of my body, my face, but no one saw my heart. No one saw that how pure was my heart. One day, I was on my way. I saw a person standing in front of me. He was blocking my way. I said him to move. He was not at all listening to me, so I had left with the last option. I pushed him, he fell down, then I moved towards my way. Again, I got frustrated after this thing. I noticed that the person was following me from many days. I stood for a while and said him that I have noticed him. He came in front of me. He brought his hand forward and asked me to be his friend. I was confused at that moment. I was not knowing what to do. I accepted his friendship and he said that his name was Alan. Before starting the friendship, I wanted to know that why he chose me only as his friend. After all, I was having such an ugly face. He was quiet for a while and he said that it doesn't matter how the face is. The thing only matters is how the pure heart is. His words were similar as I thought. From that day, my new life started. I and Alan were very happy. He was also an orphan like me. I always felt that he was hiding something from me, but it never mattered. After all, he and me were such a good friends. One day I went to Alan's house to meet him, but he was not there. I waited there for the whole day. Still he did not come. I felt that he also left me alone because of my disabilities as my parents and this whole world left. But still, in some corner of my heart, I was waiting for him. My heart was not able to believe in that. It was almost 2 days and still there was no sign of Alan. I thought of going to his home and search for the reason for his sudden absence. I started checking each and everything at his house. I did not find anything except medicines. They were everywhere on the bed, inside the kitchen, everywhere. I felt really very bad after knowing that being so good friend of mine, he did not say me about these tablets, why he was consuming that. I got very hurt. I felt that he was also like others who used me and then let me go. It was obvious that no one would like to stay with people who looks ugly, right? On the spot, I decided to go far from Alan forever as he hurted me a lot. After many days, my health was getting very worse. I was not able to breathe and walk. I thought that I was going to die and I was not even having money to treat myself. It looked like the colorful world in front of my eyes was getting dark. Suddenly, I got unconscious. And when I opened my eyes, I saw myself in a hospital bed, and doctor said that there is a chance of my living. I can be normal again. The operation is done and slowly I will recover. It was unreal for me. I thanked doctor for my operation, but doctor said that it was not him because of which I got saved. It was Alan who helped me to be treated by paying the operation expenses. Soon I got discharged. Slowly I was getting recovered. As soon as I got out from the hospital, I went to Alan's house as I had to say many things to him. I had to say many sorries and also thank him for everything that he did for me. I was feeling very guilty. I was scared whether Alan would talk to me. After all, I was wrong. As I reached his home, I got a letter stuck on the door. It was of Alan's. He had written that he was suffering from cancer and he had very less days left. There were very less chance of living even after operation. From the day he saw me, he got to remember his childhood days, which were very magical. He had a brother and they both were very close to each other. They always used to look to the blue sky and try to search happiness in that. It looked like the sky wants to talk to them, say something or show something to them. And when, for the first time he saw me, he saw his brother in me. After seeing me, he felt that he had never lost his brother. So he said that for his brother, he is sacrificing his life. It was very painful and emotional thing for me. I had no words to speak. I never thought that someone would ever think of me before him. Then I got to know that I got alive because of Alan's sacrifice. I was not knowing to be happy or to be sad. I was sad because I doubted the friendship of Alan. That friendship which was pure and magical, and I was happy that I got my life back. From that day I changed. I started loving my life. It was not only mine, it was of Alan's too. Every day I used to look at the blue sky and always felt that Alan's was always by my side. If you felt the story was good, please like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching till now. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.